Hi students, in last video we discussed some important multiple choice questions. Today let us continue the same from the chapter Human Reproduction. Question number 71. In most mammals, the testes are located in scrotal sac for. In most mammals, the testes are located in scrotal sac for. Options are option A, more space to visceral organs. Option B, spermatogenesis. Option C, sex differentiation. Option D, independent functioning of kidney. In most mammals, testes are located in scrotal sac. What is the main function of testes? It is nothing but spermatogenesis or formation of sperm. So we can choose the option B as right answer, because sex differentiation or independent functioning of kidney, more space to visceral organs are not correct. Testes are located in scrotal sac for spermatogenesis. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 72. Temperature of the scrotum which is necessary for the functioning of testes is always around dash below body temperature. Temperature of the scrotum which is necessary for the functioning of testes is always around dash below body temperature. Options are option A, 2 degrees Celsius. Option B, 4 degrees Celsius. Option C, 6 degrees Celsius. Option D, 8 degrees Celsius. Here, testis main function is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis always required 2 degrees Celsius lesser than the body temperature. So here testis is always around 2 degree below body temperature. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Question number 73. Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? Options are option A, Graafian follicles, Sertoli cells, Leydig cells. Option B, Graafian follicles, Sertoli cells, seminiferous tubules. Option C, Sertoli cells, seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells. Option D, Graafian follicle, Leydig cells, seminiferous tubules. To choose the correct answer, we should know the proper structure of testes along with all the parts. Then only we can choose the correct answer here. Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? That is nothing but Sertoli cells, seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells. That is option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 74. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules are. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules are. Options are option A, Leydig cells. Option B, arthritic follicular cells. Option C, Sertoli cells. Option D, chromaffin cells. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules. This is direct question. The nutritive cells found in seminiferous tubules are Sertoli cells. That is option C. Here option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 75. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as options are LH, option B FSH, option C GH, option D prolactin. Before choosing the correct answer, let us see the full form of each options. Option A LH means luteinizing hormone. Option B FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. Option C GH means growth hormone. Option D is prolactin. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone. The name of hormone is FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 76. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from. Options are option A testes to epididymis, option B epididymis to vas deferens, option C ovary to uterus, option D vagina to uterus. Here, to choose the correct answer, we should know the proper function of testes and the movement of gametes, from where they move and where they reach. Then only we can write the correct answer. For some reason, vas efferentia is blocked, then gametes will not be transported from testes to epididymis. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Question number 77. The head of the epididymis at the head of the testis is called. The head of the epididymis at the head of the testis is called. Options are option A cauda epididymis, option B vas deferens, option C caput epididymis, option D gubernaculum. This is a direct question. Here the head of the epididymis at the head of the testis is called caput epididymis. That is option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 78. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in. Options are option A fructose and calcium but has no enzymes, option B glucose and certain enzymes but has no calcium, option C fructose and certain enzymes but poor in calcium. Option D, fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. This is also direct question. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. That is option D. It's the right answer. Next question. Question number 79. Prostate glands are located below. Prostate glands are located below. Options are option A, gubernaculum, option B, seminal vesicles, option C, epididymis, option D, bulbourethral glands. Here, if you know the proper structure, then only you can write the correct answer because it is a direct question. The prostate glands are located below seminal vesicles. That is option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 80. The function of the secretion of prostate gland is to. The function of the secretion of prostate gland is to. Options are option A, inhibit sperm activity, option B, attract sperms, option C, stimulate sperm activity, option D, none of these. The function of the secretion of prostate gland is to stimulate sperm activity. That is option C. So in this question, option C is the right answer.
Next question. Question number 81. Lower narrow end of uterus is called. Options are option A, urethra, option B, cervix, option C, clitoris, option D, vulva. If you know the structure of uterus, then only you can write the answer for this. The lower narrow end of uterus is called cervix. That is option B. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 82. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into the. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into the. Options are option A, spermatids, option B, spermatogonia, option C, primary spermatocytes, option D, secondary spermatocytes. Before choose the right answer here, we have to recall the spermatogenesis. Then we can write the answer. The first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into secondary spermatocytes. That is option D. So in this question, option D is the right answer. Next question. Question number 83. How many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocytes? How many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocytes? Options are option A 4, option B 8, option C 2, option D 1. As I told you earlier, again we have to recall the spermatogenesis. How many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocytes? From secondary spermatocytes, we get only two sperms. That is option C. So option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 84. How many sperms are formed from four primary spermatocytes? How many sperms are formed from four primary spermatocytes? Options are option A 4, option B 1, option C 16, option D 32. From four primary spermatocytes, we get 16 sperms. That is option C. So here option C is the right answer. Next question. Question number 85. In spermatogenesis, reduction division of chromosome occurs during conversion of in spermatocytes. Reduction division of chromosome occurs during conversion of options are option A spermatogonia to primary spermatocytes, option B primary spermatocytes to secondary spermatocytes, option C secondary spermatocytes to spermatids, option D spermatids to sperms. In spermatogenesis, reduction division of chromosome occurs during conversion of primary spermatocytes to secondary spermatocytes. That is option B. Primary spermatocytes to secondary spermatocytes. That is the right answer. So here correct answer is option B. Next question. Question number 86. Which of the following groups of cells in the male gonad represent haploid cells? Which of the following group of cells represent male gonads and they represent haploid cells? Options are option A spermatogonia cells, option B germinal epithelial cells, option C secondary spermatocytes, option D primary spermatocytes. Which of the cells in the male gonads represent haploid cells? Secondary spermatocytes represent the haploid cells. That is option C. So option C is the right answer. That is secondary spermatocytes. Next question. Question number 87. The process of release of spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into cavity of the seminiferous tubules is called. The process of release of spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into cavity of the seminiferous tubules is called. Options are option A spermatogenesis, option B spermatogenesis, option C spermatocytogenesis, option D spermiation. Here the process of release of spermatozoa from Sertoli cells into cavity of the seminiferous tubules is called spermiation. Next question. Question number 88. Spermatogenesis is induced by. Spermatogenesis is induced by means we have to mention the hormone. Options are option A FSH, option B ICSH, option C STH, option D ATH. This is a direct question. Spermatogenesis is induced by follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH. So here option A FSH is the right answer. Next question. Question number 89. The middle piece of the sperm contains. The middle piece of sperm contains. Options are option A proteins, option B mitochondria, option C centriole, option D nucleus. You have to remember the structure of sperm, then only you can write the answer here. The middle piece of the sperm contains mitochondria, that is option B. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Acrosome is a type of. Acrosome is a type of. Option A lysosome, option B flagellum, option C ribosomes, option D basal body. This is a direct question. Acrosome is a type of ribosome. Thank you.